Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did not expect to have this little haul, but I have a little Dollar Tree haul, and it is a small one because I need to pick up some things for a project and that I told you about yesterday on my Monday afternoon. Oh, here comes the puppy. She doesn't want to be left alone for some reason. Anyway, so I went to Dollar Tree just to get one of these sanding blocks. Now, I mentioned that I was building a little Lego table for my grandchildren for Christmas, and my friend gave me some power tools. Well, one of them was an electric sander. Oh my word, the thing was like vibrating all over the place. I could not handle it. It was just too strong, and I couldn't control it good, and I was like, nah, let me stop before I mess up my wood. And I was going to try to film it, and there's just no way I could do that, which is probably a good thing. Well, you might have got a good laugh of me trying to handle the power sander. So I got me a sanding block, and I think this will work. Then I picked up this, and this is something that I had wanted to get or create something like this. And I thought, well, if I can pick one up, I might recreate it. And not the headband part, but I needed something off the top of it. And you will see that on Thursday for my little 24 Weeks of Christmas. Then I picked up this little photo album. This is a project that I'm going to be using in conjunction with my November kit from Scrapbooking with Me. It's just a little photo album. But it was an idea that I had. And because somebody had wanted a photo album with regular pockets in it, but they loved how I created my other albums too. So I thought maybe I could combine them. I'm not sure yet, but you will see that really soon. Then I found some of that little ribbon that looks like, it's really pretty. I don't know how to describe it. I want to take it loose right now, but it's this right here. It looks like the Chinese braid almost. And so I picked up just one of those in the red. And then I found some crochet hooks that I needed size-wise. And these have the ergonomic handles on it, which I really need with my hands. So I picked up the 4.5 millimeter, the 5 millimeter, and the 5.5 millimeter. I thought those were really nice. And they did have some others that have 2 to a pack. They were the all plastic ones though. And they're basically the same size. I don't see me using a 6.0. And that was the only difference, one and that one. Then I picked up this little cookbook that says Keto Made Simple. Thought I would just check it out and see what it was all about. This was part of the cookbook line. It says cook with them all. It has like soups and pastas and different things like that. Well, this is the only one that really interests me, so I picked that up. That's just personally. Then I found this Crafter Square pencil and brush organizer. And I have not seen this before, so this is a new item in our Dollar Tree, the one closest to my house. And it's supposed to hold 49. It's got 49 holes. It holds color pencils or paint brushes. Well, I've already got it organized for my paintbrush. And I thought I'd get rid of some of these little cups all over my table and try this out. So I thought, let's see how it works. And then I picked up some, this all-purpose caulk mastic. This is for my project for 24 Weeks of Christmas. And then I picked up this little book here. I'm not using it for what it was intended for. I wanted to do an altered book, but I wanted a smaller one. So I picked this up to maybe hopefully use that for that reason. So that was my whole Dollar Tree haul. I told y'all it was little, but I thought I'd share with you what I had. And so be looking forward for these projects coming up really soon. And I will see y'all Thursday with 24 Weeks of Christmas. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.